The Americano cocktail was Bond's first drink order in Casino Royale. The Americano was first served in 1860s at Gaspare Campari's bar in Milan, Italy. So this cocktail features equal parts of Campari sweet vermouth topped with quality sparkling water, and it's thought to be the precursor to the Negroni. Let's start. So let's build this cocktail over ice in a highball glass. Topping with some ice. Got my Campari 50 ml. Add my sweet vermouth. I'll be using 50 ml. Equal parts. I will top with my quality fresh sparkling water. Always keep cold. Always keep your sweet vermouth stocked in fridge as well. Give it a quick stir, and using a tweezer garnish with your dehydrated orange. Voila! Cheers!